Welcome to Dreamland English Stories. Here we share magical bedtime tales to help you relax, dream big, and learn English in the coziest way. Get ready for a new adventure with each story, told with love and warmth. Let's begin.
Barney the Bear's Gentle Day. In a quiet forest surrounded by tall trees, soft moss, and winding little paths, lived a big fluffy bear named Barney. Barney wasn't like most bears. He didn't roar loudly, he didn't stomp around, and he never, ever hurried. Barney liked to take his time. He loved the way the morning sunlight filtered through the leaves. He enjoyed the feel of cool grass under his paws and the sweet smell of wildflowers floating on the breeze. Barney believed that every day was special, if you moved slowly enough to notice it. One morning, as the sky turned from soft pink to golden blue, Barney stretched his big arms, scratched his round belly, and gave a long, gentle yawn. "Ah, today feels like a good day for a calm walk," he said to himself. He padded out of his cozy den, sniffed the air, and smiled. The forest smelled fresh. A light breeze danced through the trees. Somewhere nearby, a bird was singing a soft morning song. As Barney wandered through the forest, he didn't rush. He stopped to watch a butterfly land on a leaf. He watched a squirrel dig a hole to hide an acorn. He even helped a sleepy caterpillar climb back onto a low branch. A little while later, Barney heard a rustle in the grass and saw his friend Ruby the rabbit hopping toward him. "Hi, Barney," Ruby said brightly, her ears bouncing with each hop. "Want to play tag? I bet I can outrun you," Barney chuckled. "Tag sounds fun, Ruby, but today I'm taking things slow. I'm just enjoying the forest. Want to walk with me instead?" Ruby blinked. She was used to bouncing, racing, and zooming through the forest, but something about Barney's soft voice and steady steps made her pause. "Okay," she said, "maybe a slow day could be fun too." So the two friends walked side by side. At first, Ruby fidgeted and bounced a little ahead, but soon she began to notice things she usually sped past. A spider spinning a shiny web, a tiny mushroom family growing under a log, a patch of clover shaped like little green. "Wow," Ruby whispered. I never noticed any of this before." Barney smiled. "That's the magic of moving slow," he said. Further along the path, they heard a soft voice. "Good morning," said Toby the turtle, sitting on a sunny rock by the stream. "Where are you two going?" "Nowhere special," said Barney. "We're just enjoying the day." Toby nodded thoughtfully. "That's my favorite kind of day." Barney looked at Ruby. Ruby looked at Toby. "Would you like to join us?" Barney asked. "I'd love to," Toby replied. So now there were three. Barney, Ruby, and Toby walked together, gently and happily. They stopped to pick berries, sweet and warm from the sun. They followed a trail of ants carrying crumbs much bigger than themselves. They even saw a family of deer sipping water from the stream. Toby shared stories of the forest, of places he'd slowly visited and flowers he'd seen bloom and fade. Ruby told jokes that made them all laugh. Even the birds nearby joined in with cheerful chirps. Barney told them about a dream he once had, where he floated on a cloud made of honey. They helped a baby bird back into its nest, took turns skipping stones across the stream, and even played a slow, gentle game of I Spy. As the sun moved across the sky, the forest began to glow with golden light. The trees cast long shadows, the wind grew cooler, and the three friends felt calm and full of joy, full of peace, and full of friendship. They found a soft patch of grass under a tall tree and decided to rest. "This was a good day," Barney said, leaning back with a big, satisfied sigh. Ruby nestled beside him. "The best," she said. Toby tucked his head into his shell and smiled. "Let's do nothing together again tomorrow." Barney nodded. "There's always something special hiding in a quiet day," he said. As night fell, the stars appeared one by one above the forest. The moon peeked through the trees. Owls hooted gently in the distance. And the three friends, warm and happy, drifted off to sleep under the starlit sky. The forest was still. The end.
Thank you for listening to today's story. We hope it brought you sweet dreams and a little magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to bring more friends into our Dreamland family. We can't wait to tell you another story next time. Sweet dreams, and see you soon.